Deputy Commissioner ke East Kasihels USC Sadhu ulapendun surno ikakendon shispa sau pusau CRPC hagasinyo vote ka sau tarik jaliu arja pusau. Hadin ke jia selok bat giseng san perthai ke jala larai ban penjari no ikakendon shispa sau pusau CRPC tang hagajaka banyo vote kat ba shabar ki jaka umdan shu ke jingmana tang ba kanu kanu seng san perthai ke bakwa banyat pat ba kade ban pha jing tho shu UDC Iathuh balaweng ke jingmana banyat pat ba hagasinyo vote dak ba pentri kam ke section shispa sau pusau CRPC tang hagi jaka nyo vote bat Iathuh ba kanu kanu seng san perthai ka bakwa ban penong ke jingya jingjob kila ban pha da ke jingtho na kanu kanu ke Lynti ne ka than ba ki thmu ban yat ban pentikna ba kanum don kanu kanu ke jing penthut na kalyang usadhu ulakentu ki pat ba ban ai ke jingya trelang bat ki bor sanshar district ban penne ya ka an ka kanun bat la dadon kanu kanu ke jing pen khen an en shim kam da ka bating e.
But we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and when they organize any victory portions to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these processions and victory rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that this after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. But at the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt accordingly. But otherwise, that particular point will be counting area only in the polo, that counting area.
So not outside?
Not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Kasihels district, will be revoked, and all other points will remain the same.